Hey, Jen, hit that thing again.
You gotta put the key back in and turn this on. You heard what I said. I can't. Put the key back in there and then pull it back out and then click it. Okay. You so silly.
Gosh, shut up. Wait, can I try?
He's brown.
Don't do it again. Eat Jake. Don't do it.
Daddy,
Jake, you need to go to the toilet.
who is that?
Do you need to go? I need to
Uncle, my thumb started being really hurting.
Okay, okay.
Do.
You don't stop it.
These are the key to the car. Here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You didn't press it yet. Press the button.
No.
Press the button. The other one.
She never does it on camera.
Come here. Gaga.
Oh my god.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh no.
Do it.
Press the button.
Gaga.
That's her oh my god. Are you a monkey? Shut it off.
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Go shut it off. Say bye. No, to me. Say bye to the camera.
Go to the car. What happened?
What's wrong with you, Chris?
Keep going. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Oh yeah, get down. Tom, leave it on.
Do you see it? Get the jug.
Put it in Chris's car. Grab the jug.
Right here. Put it in the car.
In the car.
Put it
The
in
jug. Put it in the car.
Put it in the car.
Right there, Dale. No.
Right here. Right here. The jug. Right
Put it
there.
in
Grab that
Chris's
jug.
car.
Throw it in Chris's car.
Throw it in. No, put it in it. Open the door. Open the door.
And put it in.
Put the key in there. Unlock it.
Don't drop the merchandise.
And now open it. Now open it.
2 hands. Hurry up. Put the
Hurry, throw the jug in there.
Throw the jug in.
Hurry. Hurry, throw the jug in. Throw the jug in. Throw the jug in.
Run.
Run. Run.